Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. What you see over here, see, these are monuments of India. This is heritage of India. In simple language, ये भारत की धरोहर है. And what we do? We damage, we destroy this heritage. That's why there is a special provision in our constitution which talks about protection of this heritage. And it is not only the duty of state. Article 49 clearly says that it is obligation on the state that they must protect monument, places, objects which are of national importance, which are heritage of India. So what Article 49 says? Article 49, it basically talks about one very important thing. It talks about that protection of monuments and places and objects. So it talks about three important things. First, it talks about monuments, then places, and third, it talks about objects, protection of monuments, places, and objects which are of national importance, that is, which have national significance. What it says, see, a very interesting line is there. Normally, we have seen the word state has been used, but here what is said? It is said, it shall be. When word shall be comes, it is obligation, it is compulsory. As we are going to study in Article 74 of Indian Constitution, where there is a word that there shall be a council of ministers to aid and advise President of India. When the case went to Supreme Court said that since there is a word shall be, as per the word shall be, as per its interpretation, the advice given by council of ministers is binding upon the President of India. That's why here this word shall be has a special significance. It says it shall be the obligation of the state, not duty of the state. See, duty, many people fail to perform their duties, but you cannot fail, you cannot refrain from your obligation. So, it shall be the obligation of the state to protect every monument, irrespective of your religion, race, caste, place, state, anything. Protect every monument or place or object of artistic or historic interest which are declared by or under law made by Parliament to be of national importance, from spoliation, disfigurement, destruction, removal, disposal of or export as the case may be. See, it has very specifically talked about that you cannot even export, you cannot have trade in the things which have been declared as a things of national importance by a law made by the Parliament. Basically, remember, it is dharohar of India. It must be protected at any case as it is of national importance. My dear friends, it is duty of every young person, it is duty of every citizen of India that they should take care of this national heritage. Thank you.